Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, I hope you didn't skip those ads. I hope you did not skip those ads, guys. And please support the channel by watching the ads. And also, if you are not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel. So guys, DJ Sbu, DJ Sbu, DJ Sbu, DJ Sbu. He has been trending, guys. Lately he has been trending. I'm sure you guys know this by now. If you are returning in this channel, I posted a video of DJ Sbu trending because he was criticizing a man that was selling drinks on the street for not selling emo fire, guys. He basically went there and pretended like he was buying, and then the guy did not have emo fire, and then he started trending and stuff. He did apologize, Kesana. He apologized for doing all of that to this poor guy, and also gave him some more fires and to make some cash. But people do not forget. I think he even lost fans because of that. So now there's a recent video on Facebook, guys, where DJ Sbu entered at the garage station, and then when he got there, it's a pity that I can't include the audio because there's some background music, so I can't include like the video straight. But yeah, when he got there, he started asking the employee ukuthi, how many of you guys work here? So ningaki abasebenza la? And then the guy told him, I think he said 18 or 17, and then he started counting among fires. He was like, I'm buying all of you in fire, each one of you gets a free fire today. And then people were just happy, taking pictures and videos of him. I feel like now he is doing too much, guys. Yes, he is trying to promote his brand, but it's like he is doing too much. After all that drama that he was facing, it's like he is doing too much now, and it's a lot. Yes, you did wrong by embarrassing that guy. We understood. Case closed. You apologized. The Indabi Pelil. He is doing a lot now, and if you check his social media, especially on Facebook, now there's as in the sekunama video nje amaningi of him promoting emo fire. We understood that you were wrong, but high corner now is too much.